Welcome to our video series where we unravel the world of preventive machine maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we'll be discussing how to strike the perfect balance between maintaining machine efficiency and managing costs. We'll help you understand which machines should be your top priority for preventive maintenance and why. Let's get started. When it comes to preventive maintenance, or PM for short, the key is balance. Your goal is to keep your machines running smoothly without overspending on maintenance costs. So how do we decide which machines to prioritize for preventive maintenance? Remember, preventive maintenance isn't always the most affordable option. Although it's usually more cost-efficient than reactive maintenance, it's not free. Planning, scheduling, regular repairs, and training your maintenance technicians all incur costs. Therefore, if a machine is nearing its end or isn't crucial to your operations, it might be more cost-effective to exclude it from your preventive maintenance plan. What makes a machine a good candidate for preventive maintenance? Here are some questions to consider. How high priority is the machine? Is it currently operating to the manufacturer's specifications? How often does it need repairs? What do the repairs cost? Does this machine require routine maintenance? Will it need to be replaced soon? A machine that requires routine maintenance and tends to need frequent repairs is likely a good candidate for preventive maintenance. This approach can improve the machine's efficiency, enhance uptime, and reduce the need for costly repairs. Looking ahead, high-priority machines will also benefit from predictive maintenance, or PDM, in the future. If you plan to transition to a PDM program, starting your critical machines on a preventive maintenance schedule will make this transition smoother. Conversely, a machine that isn't mission-critical or that's due to be replaced soon might not benefit from preventive maintenance. Indeed, it could end up costing you more in the long run as you devote time and resources to maintenance that doesn't improve its performance or reduce downtime. In conclusion, a machine is a good candidate for preventive maintenance if it's high priority and requires routine maintenance. If a machine doesn't meet these criteria, it's probably best to revisit it once you've taken care of your high-priority equipment. We've covered a lot today, from understanding the balance between machine efficiency and maintenance costs to identifying which machines should be your top priority for preventive maintenance. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability team be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you in your preventive maintenance journey.